Hey, what's going on YouTube? You can see the waves rocking me here, buddy. And let me spin it around so I can show my buddy here. He's rocking, man.
I'm a rocking.
He is rocking. And so I want to take off and do a hand launch. And I'm going to do it so you guys can see my ugly face. And so one of the things that you'll do is just hold it in your hand.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
What's the sounds for?
So the sensors know that there was this bar behind me, my you know, my tower, wakeboard tower, and so it saw it and complained about it. So one of the things that I wanted to do with this guy today was do the ActiveTrack and see how well it does. And I can't remember how to get into it, guys, but I think it's this one. Oh yeah, there it is.
This is follow me one.
Oh, there it is, ActiveTrack, yeah.
Oh, man.
So we're gonna do an ActiveTrack again, guys. I'm just gonna get it ready so it follows it.
Get ready to go?
Sure.
Which way out? Back towards home?
Trace?
Which way? Back towards home?
Yeah, I'm thinking that'll be okay. Don't you think, John?
Yeah. Well, I don't know what the way the sun is. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. Probably get a little bit better.
So guys, I got it on ActiveTrack and it should be following us. Unless I did the settings incorrectly, it looks like it's gonna try to track us. The other option I had was profile mode.
Tracking?
It's tracking.
Speed up?
Not yet. Let me see if it follows. Oh, I see. Fast. Oh, where's it going? Oh, it's
Catching up.
yeah. Go ahead and go forward. Let's see what happens.
Right here.
What happens? Give it a 10 knots. Okay, we're traveling at 10 knots, guys.
Tracking subject lost.
Okay, it just lost me.
Want to go back towards it? Coming after us?
It required us.
It's what?
It reacquired our target. So
That's nice.
it lost me. I think it
But
says it's going fast, right? Or
Right?
is that slow? That says fast.
I would think.
Yeah. Bring it up to 10 knots again. Let's see what happens.
10 knots.
Yeah. It's keeping up with us. Bring it up to 15. Alright, so we're at 15 knots now. I know there's a lot of background noise, but So guys, a comparison between the two, I'm going to sit down.
Staying right on us?
Staying right on us. It's solid, man. Bring it up to 22. right, we're at 22 now. Stay away from the trees.
Yeah, we got a boat right ahead of us.
I figured that. After you pass it, bring it up to 25. Let me know when you're getting. We're at 25. So, wow. Amazing.
No problem.
No problem. Bring it up to 28.
28.
That's 28. Very nice, John. 30?
30, we're in the main U-turn.
All right.
30 on the button.
30 on the button. Wow.
U-turn?
Yeah. Very sharp one.
Very sharp one?
Yeah. All right. Wow. Amazing.
25.
25. This is definitely doable, man.
Right on it.
Solid, man. Extended flight. Okay, no problem. That is crazy.
28 steady.
28 steady. So this will work for what? Wakeboarding. Yeah.
You want to see how we can lose it?
All right, let's get out in the open. Nothing gonna hit it, right?
Probably once I get over here.
All right, guys, we're gonna see how fast it can go to keep track of it. All right, bump it up to 30.
30.
We are at 30. Bump it up to 35. Freaking rock solid.
35.
All right, bring it up to 42. That was 35. We're bringing it up to 42. 38. All right, it lost us. All right, slow down and make a U-E, John. Yeah. And go ahead and slow down. You'll see it right there.
Should lock us back in, right?
I can't do it for some reason. So let me just try another function. How's that? Oh,
Right, we're almost right underneath it.
it locked in on me.
Here it comes.
All right, go ahead and go forward. It should fly backwards.
That's cool.
So now it's
Watching the trees, right?
wow, amazing drone.
What speed?
Whatever you want, John. When we get down here, if you want to stop anytime, I'll try to change the function.
You let it bring it in?
Yeah, be 57%. What is the other test we did?
What?
We did ActiveTrack and that was it, right? On the other drone? Yeah, we'll bring it in, go in and get some dinner. Go to the dock. Let's see if it follows us to the dock.
Alright.
That is crazy, guys. Alright, once we make this turn, I'm going to drop the altitude and see if it keeps track of us. Dropping altitude. I think I messed it up a little bit. Yeah, it won't drop altitude, but it'll doing okay. Wow. Amazing. Let me bring it in and I'll land it.
Stop.
Yeah, put it in neutral, get ready to give it gas. Put it in neutral and pull out the stick and get just in case. Amazing, guys. Amazing.
They're waving at the girls.